In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a social media post in Canva. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through creating something fantastic in just a few moments. Canva is a fantastic tool offering a wide range of templates and design options to spark your creativity. So let's dive right in. To start, navigate to the Canva website. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says social media. Clicking on this will open up a world of potential for your social media posts, making it easier to create content that stands out. Once you're in the social media section, go ahead and click on Instagram Reel. If you're planning to create content for Instagram, this is your go-to spot. Canva provides templates specifically designed for Instagram's dimensions and style, making your design experience smooth and hassle-free. Next, you'll want to select a design template. Canva boasts a library filled with a variety of eye-catching templates. Take your time browsing through the options and find one that aligns with the message or theme you're aiming to convey. Remember, the template is just a starter. Once you've selected one, you can tweak it to suit your brand or personal style. With your chosen template in front of you, it's time for some creativity. Simply drag and drop the template into your design area. It's as easy as that. This feature enables you to see how your design looks instantly on the canvas and allows you to immediately start editing and adding your personal touches. Now comes the fun part, which is customizing the text. Canva makes it extremely easy to change any of the text on a template. Click on the text you want to change and a text box will appear where you can type whatever you need. Consider your audience and what message will catch their attention. Be concise yet impactful. Canva also allows you to change the fonts and colors, so feel free to play around with those options until you find the perfect combination that resonates with your design. And there you have it, you've just designed a vibrant, engaging social media post using Canva. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Canva, the more comfortable you'll become experimenting with different design elements and creating stunning visual content. Thank you for watching and happy designing. Make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy design tutorials.